Hello, everyone. I'm so glad you have joined Vicki and I for another Sunday Shares Ideas. I am choosing to use the Secret Garden paper packet and sticker sheet. It was a close to my heart offering, and Stampin' Up! Bought some of the things from them when they closed, and this was one of them. So I decided to use it. And it's a fun packet if you don't have a whole lot of supplies. You get this page of sticker sheets, all kinds of things on here, words and pictures and everything. So good thing to have. And then this is the paper. So there's this sheet, and this is a sheet I'm using today. And all of the paper has a strip at the top that you can cut off and use, and I have done that. And then there's the back. So I like the fact that one side is one color and the other side is a different color. Here's this one, and there's the sticker sheet or not a sticker sheet, but the strip at the top. And it actually has the name and the company on the top. And there's the other color. I should be picking up two of these. So there's that. There's this pink one, my favorite pinks. I'm not crazy about the pattern, but I love pink. And then a yellow. That would be a great background piece. Then we have this pretty blue. Am I getting? Yeah, I got too many. And then I like that sticker sheet. It's got some leaves on it. And then there's the back. Love that color. Beautiful. Then we have this one. Great dash. I'm loving these strips at the top. What a great idea. And then a pink. Love the silvery green in here also. And then this is the last one. There's a, I don't know, basket weave type pattern at the top. And then there's that one. So some gorgeous colors. So for today's card, I'm going to use Spotlight on Nature only for the sentiment. So I have the sentiment pulled. I'm going to use 𝘁𝗵𝗶𝗍 ink. And I have all my pieces here. And I have sizes for you. This piece is just a piece I cut off the top. So I couldn't tell you the size because it's going to depend on where it goes on here. This is the pattern that I chose to use, and this is 3 by 4.5. This is the layer for behind it, and it is 3 1/8 by 4 5/8. I have a piece of this is 𝘁𝗵𝗶𝗍, this is soft sea foam, and this is 4 by 5 1/4. For my sentiment, I have a strip of white, and this is like a 1/2 inch. It's an offcut. And then this is an offcut also, and it's probably about 3/4 of an inch in 𝘁𝗵𝗶𝗍. Those I will cut down. I have my card base that's 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. All right, so let's get going. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my paper, and I would have loved to do the pink, but it didn't match that strip, and I wanted to show you how to use those strips. All right, come on here. There we go. Better. All right, so there's that, and that's going to go on here. So I'm going to add it right in there. This is a quick card. Now make sure you go over and check out what Vicki is doing. I do know for a fact that she is not using Stampin' Up! Stuff. She's going to be making an announcement soon, and it's, you know, it's one of those things. And it's crooked. So she's exploring options to see what's out there. I mean, we all should. There's so many things. That's what I've been doing. And I'll tell you, I've been so excited. had my friend tell me, she says, I can hear it in your voice. Apparently, I wasn't real happy. And I was like, oh, not good. Okay, we're going to take and we're going to flag one end. So I'm going to cut it. And then I'm going to flip it over and cut the other side. I saw that for one of the videos I watched. And I went, oh, that makes sense. I was trying to do it the other way. All right, so it's there. It's going to go there. And I need to cut it. Ooh, let's see. If I put it here, I need to cut it about here. So I'm going to cut it at 4 inches. Nope, a little bit less. So I did it 3 7/8. That works. All right, so cut up the middle, then cut the one side, flip it over, and cut the other side. Ooh, like so. All right, and then this piece is going to go across there. So let me tape this down. And then I've got to go find a stamp set to use to decorate the inside. I don't know what I'm going to use. I don't have anything that I can think of. But we'll see. I'll come up with something. All right, so there's that. And now for my sentiment, using my 𝘁𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗋, and this is going to be a treat or a trick to see if I can get this on here right. I may have to. Ooh, I did it. Yay. You never know. All right. I'll have to look. Maybe I have some leaves I can stamp on the inside. And I'm going to take and cut this like so. And I'm going to add it to my green like so. All right. And then I'm going to trim this there. So that's a way to get a layer easily without having to cut your pieces ahead of time. Just tape that piece down and go with it. All right. Here's another one in the middle, and I need another piece. And there's that one. There's my pokey tool. That one's already off. It came off. All right, and I think I'm going to put it down here like so. And I need to find some gems. It needs some gems. Let me get some. Okay, I pulled in some rhinestones. So let me pull these out. And I'm going to use the big ones. All right. And I think I'm just going to put them in a row across the top. Ooh, it jumped across. This is an old package. I used to buy these things and stock up on them. That one's off a little. Let me move it up just slightly. There. So I'm still using up what I have. All right, so, ooh, piece of paper in there. There's today's idea. Such a pretty card. And I used the Heartfelt Hexagon set, this image here. It's about the best I could find to do the inside of the card and the envelope. I hope I've inspired you with today's idea. Make sure you check out Vicky's card to see what she did, or project, I should say. Have a sensational Sunday. Bye.